Dito tayo sa paborito nating bilihan ng pagkain. Ivy Chris Bake Shop sa Montalban. Shout out sa mga tita natin. Let's go. Brunch tayo. Kailangan natin ng pagkain para sa interview.
Ilocano. Ilocano. Katulad mo. Oo nga, naku.
Si Tita Pe doon sa taas. Tita Pe. Si Tita Pe, anak si Cheche.
Doon o.
Ay, sumasakit na.
Ah.
BM po originally with Rene Barsales, but she retired. So I was moved to, we decided to move to BM Tres Espiritu. That's what brought me here back, no? Since I really love selling and I really love the industry of insurance, yun pala yung talagang hinanap ng puso ko. And almost MDRT na. Pero kay Iwa kasi, they're giving opportunity like me who wants to step up, no? And that's the same thing na nagawa ko with a couple of people under my organization right now na binubuo ko na kay Iwa. So recruitment is actually one of my kaya sabi ni Miss Pam, magkakasundo kami, which is I could agree kasi I think that's one of the thing that I really like in selling or in sales, yung mag-recruit. So, which is happening right now kasi I'm not onboarded pero ang dami ng naka-line up pong mga good quality leaders na pwedeng matrain po. Kasi is really someone I respect kasi which during high school she was our top student. Magkaklase po kami nung high school. And I respect her so much. Pero sabi ko nga medyo naglilo ako sa sales, sa like being independent kasi I tried going to Pampanga. Alam po kasi nangyari I think it's a God's grace din. Kasi Cleo was saying, Raf, can we talk? Kasi I want you to be my leader in Montalban. But I'm living in Pampanga. I was living in Pampanga na as well. So sabi ko, sige, Cle, kwentuhan tayo kasi actually yun, nasa Pampanga din ako. I'm living in Pampanga right now and I'm offering the opportunity that we have in Iwas. Sabi ko, sige, I'll give it a chance, unit manager, ganyan. Pero it turns out, I was like recruiting. Ang dami ng mga pipeline na nabuo. And it was a nice thing po. Sabi ko, Cle, can we talk again? Maybe I can, consider being a branch manager. Total naman, things are going great in terms of recruitment. So I think that's pretty much what happened po. Of myself as much as I can kasi actually I'm learning fast po, no? Kasi we don't have time. Pero I think that's another good thing of me being a top. It's something that I can also share with the leaders that I'm building right now. Nagbi-build na rin experience. I'm a builder talaga, no? So definitely I'm expanding. Curl and sabi niya, Sir Curl, I was thinking of like building a group na here in, let's say, Caloocan, Quezon City, and kami ni Cleo mag-tandem ulit dito sa Montalban kasi dito naman kami lumaki. Pero sabi ni Boss Curl is like try to focus on one area muna. So I guess since you're asking me na po, if I'll be building in like another location, which I think nasagot naman na rin po nila, boss. Pero what kind of like support na pwede kong if I'll be building on another like location? Yes, definitely. I know that your track record is very good as well. So I really want to be mentored by you as well. Kaya nga, and I'm very excited with that. So with the wisdom na share mo po talaga today, that's definitely something na, you know, like, made me realize what I need to do right now, especially that I'm starting po. Okay, ikaw, excited to work with you po. Thank you po. Yeah, definitely po. Bye-bye po. So, dito na tayo sa Cubao and dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. I hope meron akong na-share sa inyo sa experience ko of working as a soon branch manager of East West Agias. So thank you so much and hopefully mas madami pa tayong matulungan learning financial literacy. Thank you and God bless.